Liover now takes center of the ring, opens up with a jab. Good straight to the face of Tulio. Definitely got his attention. Good opening sequence to para kay Liover, setting up the momentum. Magandang combinations para rin hindi makaset up yung kalaban niya from Japan. Signs of life from Tulio. Goes for a jab. Another jab from Liover. That is a jab straight from Liover. Good setup with the hook. Pasok. And down goes Tulio in the very first round, ladies and gentlemen. Bagsak po ang kalabang Hapon. And that is it.